don't know why this always happens to me, but every time I drive, I find the coolest spots, right? And it is always raining, so I can never get a good shot. Like, I don't know why this keeps happening to me. Look, I'm going through the mountains right now, and look at this. Oh my God, this is so breathtaking. Check this out, I'm on this little teeny road. Oh my goodness. Kind of scary because look at that drop. Check out that view. Oh my goodness gracious. I don't think the camera is doing any of this justice. Hopefully I don't wreck into the guardrail. It doesn't matter where I look. Hopefully I don't wreck, but it doesn't matter where I look. Everything is absolutely breathtakingly beautiful. Like, you do not understand. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited. Like I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna tell you where I'm at, what I'm doing, but first check this view out. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my God. I'll turn around so you can see a better view. Sometimes it seriously amazes me on some of the spots that I find. Like that, like look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Everything else that I've seen thus far fails in comparison. So where am I at? I'm in Chattanooga, Tennessee. That's right, Chattanooga. And I am here because I have a few job opportunities. I'm going to do a few interviews. One, I basically got the job, but I have to do the formalities of a polygraph and drug testing and a physical examination and blah, 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 blah. But I don't know if I'm gonna take that yet. But look at that. I keep getting distracted because I'm looking at my camera while I'm talking to you. But that's so beautiful. Some of the other opportunities that I have 3 options for state parks. I've narrowed it down to California, Yosemite National Park, Yellowstone National Park, and Mount Rushmore in South Dakota. So I have a lot of options, but check that out. Actually, the park's about to close, so I gotta leave in a few minutes. The city of Chattanooga is right there. I'm about to find out if this trail goes anywhere. It looks like it does, but it might not. It does not. It does. What's the saying? Leaves at 3, leaves at B, leaves at 4, get some more. Something like that. It does not. That is a massive hill. Shit, I'm about to fall. There's a little trail, I gotta figure out where it goes. That's just what I do. But it really doesn't go anywhere. This is crazy. Why did I come in here? If you want to check this place out for yourself, it's called Prentice State Forest. And here's a little, tells you all the places around here. As I said, there was Chattanooga right there. I was right. funny thing about this park is literally I drove up this road for like 30 minutes going like up. Like now I'm going down. I'm about to leave. But the steepness is so crazy. I can let off the brake and I'll get up to like 55 miles an hour in like 2 seconds. It's crazy. See how high we are up in the mountain? We're equal with the power lines. Like, come on. Going back down. Down here at the bottom, got yourself a little access to water. Like, this park's really, really nice. But I've yet to come across the park that was ugly. So, not gonna lie, it might be a little windy, but this park is, I have to show you this park. Again, it's called Prentice Cooper State Forest or Prentice Cooper State Park, something like that. But check this out. And there's a guy like right over here that has the perfect idea. He has a tent right on the water, surrounded by trees. Like, check this out. Food ain't gonna be anything too crazy today. I like quick and easy meals, so that's what we're gonna make. I'm gonna make boil some water, have some top ramen. Takes about 5 minutes. I'm sorry, it's called the cup-o noodles. The cup-o noodles. I don't need a lot of water, that's why I'm only gonna boil it with this little pot right here. Use what you got, you know? Go grab my fork. While that water's boiling. So what would y'all do if you were in my situation? Would you work for a national park? Or would you work for Border Patrol? Or would you work for the FBI? Would you just work for a simple organization like Sam's Club or Costco or the big box stores like Walmart, Target? That's why I'm kind of undecided. Wind's trying to blow my flame out. I'm a big guy, so I block the wind very well. But yeah, yesterday I drove all day. I drove from Georgia to Tennessee, but I went up through North Carolina, Virginia, visited somebody over in Virginia, and I made my way back down to Tennessee. My interview is in Nashville, Tennessee. It's kind of cool. I've never been there. I'm really excited to check out Nashville, but my interview's not until, it's not for 4 days, so I'm going to check out Chattanooga a little bit more, and then I'm going to make my way straight up to Nashville, because Nashville's like 2 hours-ish from here, 1 hour, something like that. It's relatively close. I ain't got no funnel. Just the right amount of water. I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook a little bit. Now that everything's all packed up, I was gonna edit a video on the bench after I got done eating, but it started raining. It stopped now, but I ain't trying to get my iPad wet. Let's go ahead and try to find a gym. Gym, check. Shower, check. 2.5 mile run, check.